Hey, I'm Zach and I work for the marketing department. I shoot with a Fuji X-T20 and a 27mm pancake lens. My dream kit would be a GFX 50R and a 23mm lens. I've used this camera before and it's got an incredible dynamic range. It'll help me get more cinematic shots, especially the 23mm lens. I can shoot wide, but I can also crop in as well. I don't have any favourite photographers in the traditional sense. When I started at MPB, I counted myself as a photographer, although it was just with the latest iPhone. And then the people around me influenced me. So my different teammates, they'd say, oh look, I've got this camera, look at these shots that I've got, and I was really noticing the difference. So I'd say the people around me that I work with, they're the ones who influenced me to get into photography properly. If I was going to shoot anywhere, I would like to shoot rural Japan. You know, I've been to the US, I've been to different parts of Greece, and Japan would be the next place for me I'd like to go and shoot. I love their culture and their architecture is great as well. In the future, I'd like to work on improving my photography and traveling to different places, trying different things, because it's very easy to get stuck in a routine.